Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is going to be a Happy Mail unboxing as well as playing with the Happy Mail at the end of the video. So first off is this set from Esther Molina's art on Etsy, and sorry, not on Etsy, on Instagram. And she gave me this beautiful stamp. I was so floored when I opened it. This stamp set. My birthday is actually in December, but I'm finally opening it up. I filmed this video actually several weeks ago. I'm finally having the time to edit and upload it. So these beautiful stamps are from the artist Lin Channing, and I believe you can purchase them from Cute Things from Japan's web store, but they're so pretty and they're very, very versatile because I can use them for my journals, and they come in different shapes, and I'm very excited to stamp those out and cut them out for my journals. And then this next package is from Liberty HK. I will of course leave everybody's information down below. So I used one of her stamps thanks to Kenry. She's on our design team for the stationery selection. She connected us with Liberty HK, and her name is Cheche, I think is how you pronounce it. I'm not sure, but we used one of her newer dictionary definition stamps for the recent box. Recent as in, I think, yes, anyways, it was for the April box, but yes, and I was so shocked to see all of these stamps from her. She did not, I did not expect this at all. I was floored. I couldn't believe all of these stamps and all of these vintage paper goodies from her. And these are the stamps in the new collection, and I'm very, very excited to share them with you. I end up playing with these at the end of the video so you can see how the images look stamped out, but I was just floored with the amount of stamps that she's gifted to me. I'm very, very thankful, and I'm thankful to Kenry as well for introducing us to Liberty HK. I know they're very famous, or she's very famous for her definition stamps in the planner world, and so now she has these new ones out, and a lot of these images, I think even the main big one is the image of them having like a planner meetup, and I think Kenry's hands are in one of the is included in one of this one of the I think there are 4 people. There's 4 people there, so one of them is actually Kenry, and it's just an image of the planner meetup, and I think that is so pretty and so cute. And yes, so I'll share with you later on in the video how I play with those stamps. And this beautiful package here right now I'm opening is from Eugen. Extremely talented individual, and she's Paperpilea on Instagram, and she has a lot of DIY videos and ideas, and incredibly talented. I don't know how she comes up with these. Gosh, I've known her for several years now, and she's always extremely talented, and I just don't know how she comes up with all of these. I always get this like mental block when I'm ready to, or when I have some time to make something or create something, and I just have this mental block, but she's just always wonderful, full of ideas, creating all these little envelopes and tucks and things, and just so amazing. But here is a small little booklet that she's created so that I can, or she's tucked in a lot of ephemera for me to use in my journals. I actually housed this in a traveler's notebook hybrid thing that I am working on right now. It's a little project that I'm working on. I need to film an update with you. I've already filmed the initial version of it, but I already have an update, so she's included so many lovely goodies, and I've already devoured this Lindt chocolate, of course. I have a weakness for chocolate, as you may know, especially with nuts in it. Oh my gosh, I gobble it up so fast. It reminds me of those, I don't know if there's this in the other parts of the world, or maybe it was just an Ontario thing, I'm not sure, but we would sell chocolate covered almonds in the boxes for fundraising, and I think it was middle school. Oh man, I don't remember. I think it was middle school where I sold a lot of these chocolate covered almonds, but yes, those I'm totally off on a different tangent, but those chocolates that I received from Eugen reminded me of the chocolate covered almonds. And although the chocolate covered almonds, you're supposed to I don't know, sell them to your neighbors and things, I would, or my family would, of course, buy a couple for them for us to eat on our own. I remember the box being like $2 or something. They were so good. So good. Anyways, so I'm working on, I guess now it's like the kind of like the fun time. I'm working in my passport-sized traveler's notebook, and I struggle between like the vintage vibe, and then I want pages where it's like full of color, and I'm always constantly going back and forth, back and forth. But this passport-sized traveler's notebook, I'm just using as kind of like a place to keep my quotes and just little things, mainly quotes, I want to say. I don't think I did any journaling in it so far, and oh my gosh, I'm struggling a lot here with the washi tape. I wanted to use the washi tape from the packaging, but I'm really struggling here. As you can see, I know I'm not alone when it comes to packaging and using the tapes and stickers and things from packaging, but yeah, I've been using this passport size TN for just keeping things from Happy Mail and just collaging, not really journaling per se, but you know, keeping favorite quotes and things like that, or just thoughts. This page, this spread that I'm doing right here on video with you now, is about the Happy Mail that I received, and you'll see how that goes. I'm also going to be sharing with you later on how I play with the stamps too. So yes, I had to, the way that sorry, this is going to be off topic, but the way I edit the videos, I usually, well, I try my best to just film one solid video, and then I end up transferring it to my computer, and then I edit it down. So I'll chop it up and edit pieces where maybe my kids come into the frame, and then we spend a good chunk of time and need to cut that out or something like that. So I end up chopping the video down into more a condensed file. And when I finished editing this time, it stopped right at 12 minutes, and I couldn't believe it. So I'm like, okay, I'm not going to touch it anymore. You know what? Now that I'm looking at this and I'm looking at the screen, I see that it says 11 minutes and 58 seconds. Where did the 2 seconds go? Oh gosh, anyways, let's forget that I just talked about that for the last couple minutes. Here I am stamping out the Liberty HK stamps on some pattern paper, and I love this idea. I received some Happy Mail from Eva and also from Momo Loves Paper, and they both stamp images on paper, like random, like pattern paper, or like book pages, anything, and they've sent some to me in the past, and I just love that idea of doing that. So I wanted to do a whole bunch and this beautiful VersaFine ink, I think it's called Crimson if I'm not mistaken. I have to look at my tin again, but it's so pretty, and it matches, I think it really matches well with the paper as well, the pattern paper that was included in the Happy Mail package. And now I'm just grabbing some other stamps that were part of the set and just stamping it out. And I like doing these in advance and doing like a sitting of just paper stamping, I guess. And you can use these for journaling cards. You can, of course, use them for Happy Mail. You can stamp some images out and then put like an address on there later. So they're very versatile. And so I had a nice set of time here for myself, and I decided to just stamp a whole bunch of stuff. And yeah, I think it turned out really nicely. I think that's pretty much it for this video. For the remaining of the video, I'm just going to be stamping and sharing with you the beautiful stamps from Liberty HK. Yeah, I'm not too sure what else to say. I hope you are doing well. It is Golden Week holiday here in Japan. It's a very gloomy and wet holiday season, and I'm not complaining at all. It's crazy because last Golden Week we were able to go to Canada to visit my family, and this year it's, because of the virus and everything, we're at home and staying home. But we've been, thinking outside the box, and we so far we've done camping and things like that several times already in the driveway, which is a lot of fun. It's been very warm. The last couple of days, it's over 25 degrees Celsius, I want to say. So it's been very warm and nice. But these next few days will be very cloudy and gloomy and rainy, which is nice. I don't mind that at all. I don't mind rainy days where I can just stay in and watch a movie, catch up on journaling if my kids let me. But I really like, I've been really, I don't know, I feel like I'm stuck in this lifestyle where I just kind of stay in and journal. My husband is the type that likes to go out often and likes to take drives and things. And not that we can't do that, but I'm kind of enjoying this slower paced lifestyle, and I don't know if I can get back into like the go, 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 go. Anyways, so that is the video, some happy mail and some me stamping some papers and working in my passport size traveler's notebook. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry for all, I'm not going to say sorry because I think a lot of you enjoy the rambling. I try not to ramble, but then things kind of come into my mind while I'm talking, doing this voiceover, and then it just goes on a total tangent. So anyways, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you for watching this video. I hope you are staying safe and well, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.